You're listening to Body by Poly. I'm Dr. Alain Polynice, here to share what I've learned over 25 years in breast and body surgery. Real talk, honest recovery, and the truth behind lasting results. Myth or fact? Can liposuction help you lose weight? Well, that's an interesting question, and it's one that I get asked a lot. And liposuction is still the most commonly performed cosmetic procedure, and it's a mainstay of my practice. I use it in almost everything that I do. But in reality, liposuction is not a weight loss procedure. Now, of course, when I do liposuction, I am removing a certain amount of fat, and that has a certain amount of weight. It could be 2, 3, or 4 pounds. But there's a limit to how much liposuction you can do in any given procedure safely. So there's a limit to how much actual weight you can remove. So while it is true that liposuction will remove a certain amount of fat and that has weight to it, it's not a weight loss procedure. It's a procedure that's there to help shape and sculpt difficult areas that don't respond to diet and exercise. For example, the love handles or the saddlebags or the lower tummy. So those are areas that respond really well to shaping and sculpting with liposuction. But no, it's not a weight loss procedure per se. In reality, the maximum amount of fat that I've removed during a liposuction procedure is about 5 liters. And there's a reason for that. It's quite a large volume, and a small percentage of that is actual blood. So you want to make sure that you're not removing an excess amount of fluid that has blood in it, because that could actually have a negative effect. So there's a limit to how much liposuction you can do. That fat has a certain amount of weight to it, but in general, liposuction is not a weight loss procedure. Thanks for tuning in to Body by Poly. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and follow along on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. See you next time.